In this tutorial I will show how to create an informative room schedule like shown here. I just picked a few columns with some different parameters, but the interesting part and why it's called informative room schedule is these two columns where I can type in the target area and then I can get a result of the area difference and visually with this red color see if I have aimed the target area, if I go over the area or I'm below the area. To create a schedule I need to go to View, Schedules and Schedule and Quantities, and here I choose the category of rooms. I could call this informative room schedule and then press OK. And in this schedule I just used simple fields, so I'll do the same here, choosing area, name, number, level, and the last two I need to create new parameter specific for this room schedule. So the first one, the target area, that's just a dummy parameter by creating a add parameter. This one I'm calling target area example, just in this case because I've already created, so I need to put something new into this name because I cannot have the same name for the same parameter. I'm selecting a parameter of a area because it will be something with areas. I could put it into the group of analysis results, it's not that important in this case, and then create the parameter by click on OK. Then I need to have a additional parameter, the last one, that calculate the area difference, and this should be a calculated value parameter. So this one I would call area difference, just a formula, and it is a number, and then I type in the area divided by the target area. I could also click on the right here to select some of the selected fields I have here in the schedule fields. Select the target area and press OK. Let's see how it look like. So I press OK. So it is like in this order at the moment, but I could rearrange it by going in and say edit fields, and I would like to have the level first in this example, then the number. I could move it up and down like shown here, and then the name, area and the target area, and last the area difference. So now it's have a better order, but I also would like to group them in different levels they are placed on and calculate the total. So I go back to sorting and grouping, say select by level. I want to have it written in the header, and in the footer I want to have calculated the total, and I want to have the grand total of the whole building. So let's see how it look like in this case. Alright, it don't calculate the total, so I need to go in again and edit it, but before that I want to show how this work with the target area. Let's say there is a target area of 175 in this case, and then it calculates the difference. Let's say the toilet should be 42 square meters, just to have some different numbers here, and the target area for this auditorium should be 275. I go back under formatting. To calculate the area I need to click on area and say to that parameter calculate total. I want to do the same with the target area to see what is the total target area for this building or this building section, and press OK. Then we can see now it calculates the total. But I want to have these in percent, so I need to go to formatting once again, select on area difference, click on conditional formatting, click on Field Format, deselect the default settings and choose percentages, and I would like to have the symbol shown, so I can select it here and press OK. Last, I want to have it colored when it's not in between certain kind of range, so I can go to Conditional Format, say if this difference is not between two numbers, it should make a red color or background color here, like the red one here. So let's say it should be between 95 and 105. So every time the value is over or below, it will make the background color red. So let's press OK and OK, but it doesn't make the red color. And the reason for this, if I go back to formatting and under area difference and conditional formatting, for some reason when it's in percentage it adds 2 zeros, so I need to delete those afterward, like shown here. And now it should be colored when it's not in between this range of 95 to 105% of the target area. Further, if I don't want to see these rooms that is not placed, I could go to Filter and say rooms that doesn't have any square meters or is less than 0 should be hidden, and press OK. I need to go back to Filter. It should not be less than, it should be greater than, of course, and OK. Like this. Then I have filtered these areas or rooms that is not placed, so it not will be shown in this schedule. And then the last thing is just to add the different square meters to finish this informative room schedule, so I can get all the information if I am below or under the target area.